Alright everyone, I'm here on the Batman server and I'd like to show you something. Okay, this resource pack, this is actually all three, 110, 111 plus, and 113. Let's copy that to clipboard and just save that for a moment. See all these? These are just plain Minecraft textures. Okay, now let's open up Firefox, paste this address in here. Now it doesn't have to be Firefox, you can do this with any browser. It's just I use Firefox, so. Okay, it is completed. Let's open the file location and minimize this. Okay, so close that. Where are you? Okay. Let's take this whole zipped file and drop it here. Now, right click, extract here, and there we go. We now have 3 resource packs here. That's the same resource pack, just for different versions. Now we can close these out, and options, resource packs, here we go. Done. It'll take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, sometimes more, sometimes less. Because it's loading all the new textures. Okay, there we go. See? All these new textures. And I'm only lagging because I'm recording. My computer doesn't like this. Even a banana. Why is there a sheep in the shop? Alright then. And with that, I am out. I'll see you all in the next video.